Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another episode of Bitcoin Trade. And in this episode, I'm not going to do too much of chart analysis. It may be a little bit of news and a little bit of theory and some crazy ideas. So I hope you all have your seatbelts on and brace yourself because this is really crazy. All right, but I guess you're already used to all this. Anyways, if you look at the price, I'll just talk about it. It's just going sideways. It's been going sideways for a very long time. So I guess a lot of people aren't sure what's going on, and it kind of shows that in the market pricing. So, anyways, it's Bitfin and 12 hour if you want to know, but I'm not really here to talk about that. I'm here to talk about something else, and I thought was very interesting. So I wanted to kind of bring this up, and here it is again, crypto coin. Is it Crypto Coin News? What the hell? Crypto Coin News, yeah, Crypto Coin News, and they've been doing such a great job. I just have to say, you know, I just have to give them another thumbs up. Matter of fact, I'll give them the other thumbs up. This one right here. So they get 2 thumbs up for all their hard work and effort and investigative reporting that they've been doing. I noticed they're the first one to break the stories and do great articles, news articles. So keep up the good work. Of course, all the other people, you're all doing good too. But I just have to mention that because they've really been out there providing excellent public information. So, anyways, this particular article, and I've heard about this. I don't know how to say this guy's name, Nick Szabo. I don't know how to say his last name, but whoever this guy is, a lot of rumors going around, a lot of accusations that he is Satoshi Nakamoto, the inventor of and creator of Bitcoins, and I don't know. It hasn't. If you read it, it says, there's some reasons why, obviously. I've never read the BitGold or anything, but he's denied being Satoshi Nakamoto. But you never know in this world. It's that crazy. Anyways, I was reading this article and everything, and very interesting, of course. And if you go towards the end, you can see here he has a little blog post, and so I'll go up to the blog post, and I did follow it. Excuse me. Oh, excuse me. Okay, so here's the blog post, and this is his latest right here. And I recommend everyone read it. And the title is Transportation, Divergence, and the Industrial Revolution. So, when I see this, it's very interesting, and this is what I take from it. Okay, this is what I'm taking from it: movement, deviation, and revolt. And I don't know this guy, but if you want me to look into what he's trying to say and what he's writing about, I mean, this is what I'm seeing. And if this guy is into cryptography, I would imagine the way he would communicate would be obviously it would be hidden meanings and hidden ideas and like like a cartographer would be hidden in plain sight right in front of your face, right? So when I read this, I said, this is very interesting, and it goes through a lot of stuff. I would recommend people reading it, but this is what I got out of it. I mean, I'm going to let you all read it. I think it's very important that you read this to get an idea of what this gentleman is trying to say. Now, whether he's the inventor of Bitcoin or not, or the creator of Bitcoin, I don't know. But obviously, his ideas resonates with the ideas of Bitcoin very well. So basically, here's what I'm getting out of this. All right, and for me, it just makes sense. All right, are y'all ready? If you build it, it will come. Is what I'm getting. If you build it, it will come. And so I think this is very, very interesting in that regard. And so if you read it, it talks about the legacy system um, and leapfrogging and all this stuff. Very, very interesting. Okay. But the last thing I want to point out here is, and this is specifically Bitcoin. Okay, I'm talking specifically of Bitcoin. Okay, and how it can relate to this article as far as from what I'm getting out of this. Okay, if you build it, it will come, and then the last mile, This has always been a difficult solution for quote unquote corporations or businesses getting to the last mile. All right, they've built an infrastructure, but penetrating that last mile. And you know who the last mile is? Well, and this article is specifically talking about literally the last mile into the inland. But if you try to transport that into, I guess, today's world, the last mile is you and me. We are the last mile. And how can I say this? We are the beginning and the end, and everything in the middle is fodder. And so if the last mile has always been the obstacle, but if we are the last mile, if we are the beginning and the end, all we have to do is build it, and it will come. So anyway, that's what I'm getting out of this. I'd recommend everyone to read this. I believe there's a lot of hidden meanings in here, hidden messages. So that's just me. I mean, this is all crazy talk. So don't. I'm not trying to say. Let me see. Nick Szabo is trying to really say anything, hidden meanings or anything like that. I mean, he may not. He may just written this for academic purposes. I mean, that's possible. But when I'm reading it, with my eyes, as you're seeing right now through me, right? So I'm seeing something different. I see movement, deviation, and revolt. Move, deviate, and revolt. So what could it mean? Could it mean move away from the legacy system, deviate from it, and revolt? I don't know. But all I know is, we are the beginning and the end, and everything is in the middle. It's just fodder. So if you build it, it will come. That's what I'm getting out of it. So whatever's up, whatever you want to think, I would recommend everyone to read this, and if you get something out of it, that's great. This is what I got out of it, and I think those are some great ideas. As a matter of fact, I think I'm going to start doing those things. I'm going to make it real. Excuse me, I'm a little preoccupied, but yeah, I'm going to make it real. Because, I've said this many times. I co-create with the Creator, and I'm going to make it real. So, anyways, there you go. Crazy theory, crazy idea. Take it for what it's worth. But, anyways, I hope you all enjoyed this episode. Feel free to comment, like, dislike, even do a video response. Until next time, stay tuned. Bye.